Welcome back to part 2 of our fall home maintenance series. Today we're diving into making your home cozy and warm for the autumn. Okay, let's start indoors with your HVAC and installation. Please tell me you check and replace your furnace filter. Please tell me you do. You make sure you get that yucky filter out every 3 months, please, for optimal heating, especially now with the cold coming up. So you want to also seal any gaps in your windows and doors to keep the cold air out. I use a door draft stopper for one of my doors and weather stripping around my other doors. It's a must. You got to do it because you'll definitely keep and block that chilly draft out. You don't want to be going brrr inside your house. Okay, let's add some fall flair, but how, Gabby? So you can decorate with cozy blankets, warm tone pillows, and some candles. This always makes your home smell good and look ready for the season. Let's not forget about safety. You want to test those smoke detectors, as annoying and loud as it is, and carbon monoxide detectors to ensure safety. I know y'all want to know when there's a fire or a poisonous, odorless gas in your home. We've all done it where we haven't closed or turned the stove button all the way to the far left. I mean, come on. So these are some tips to make your home feel like cozy haven this fall. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful home-related content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the beauty of autumn. Till next time.